Hello, my friends. Today, we're going to do a short and sweet, satisfying ring and ribbon pour using Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paints. I will list the colors in the order below in the description. Kind of going from a light to dark technique this time, so I get a nice bright center and dark around the outsides, hopefully. So we'll see. You never know what's going to happen. And here we go. I have a big purple dot thus far, but I can see some other colors are starting to work their way through. Most of this, a lot of this will get tilted off, so I'm not too concerned. Here we go. Something's happening. So I'm just doing a straight pour, and now I'm going to switch up to a ring pour for a different look. Gentle little circles, maybe back to a straight pour. Let's add a little jiggle. Back to the straight pour. I added gold and white and yellow to this, and I'm not seeing any sign of the yellow or gold, but it's got to be there. Here it comes. By doing the ring pour, you kind of highlight the colors a bit. And if you're nervous, a little hungover maybe, hand might jiggle and you'll get an interesting look. It's all good. All right, I'm getting to the point where if I'm going to do my drizzle, it's time. So I'm going to stop and take a look at it. I'm going to tilt a bit, then add the drizzle, then tilt. I don't want giant stripes, ribbons. So here we go. I'm not hungover, by the way. Oh, that's pretty over there. That is very pretty. Hope I don't lose it all, but I don't want to lose all the dark I put in there. I thought I had so much purple. Isn't that wild that I was concerned about having too much dark, and now it's disappeared. And there's the yellow and gold I was concerned about. Now I've pretty much covered the canvas, except for that corner there. Let me go down there. Normally I drizzle before I tilt the whole thing, I think, but just want to change it up just a bit today. So I'm tempted to add purple to my cup here because I just don't have enough there. So let's do it. And here we go. I didn't mean to start on the canvas. I wanted to start off, but I can gently tilt that. I think I will do that now. Put the weight of the paint over there and send it off the edge. Go. Go. Oh, there we go. All right. And what else? better drizzle. Let's do some overlapping stuff. Now, if I tilt, those ribbons are going to stretch. So I have to determine if I want to stop or, you know, I'm still not happy with the amount of purple. The lack of purple. I'm going to add more. But where to put it? Looks like toothpaste there. Well, I've got some there. I definitely need some on this side. I'm going to kind of mimic that one there. I like the shape of that drizzle. Okay. I like it. I think I should stop. It's so easy to keep going. In fact, I've done that after stopping a video. I've added more and ruined them. So I'm going to be strong and leave it as is. I think I'm pleased with that. My little corners need a little help. I need my palette knife. 1 second. If I decide to keep this, it'll go in a frame, so the tiny exposed corners aren't a problem, but this is pretty big down here, so let me grab some appropriate paint color. Just touch up that corner. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, well, I told you it would be short. I hope it's sweet. I thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye for now.